How to fix if iPhone contact disappeared on your iPhone. If your contacts disappeared frequently, then here are the fixes. The first workaround is go to settings, tap on your profile icon and tap on iCloud, and here go to show all and make sure that contacts is duly on. Apps using iCloud, keep on my phone, tap on keep on my phone, disable it, and thereafter restart your iPhone. Once your iPhone restart, then again go to same place, tap on settings, tap on your name, go to iCloud, and here go to show all and enable contacts app using iCloud. Enable it and choose merge. Existing local contacts and iCloud contacts will be merged. The next method is again tap on settings and here tap on contacts, tap on accounts, and here tap on iCloud account, and make sure your contact is on single iCloud support or Gmail support. It should be a single support. The next one is again go to same page and sign out of your iCloud account and again sign in your iCloud account. Again tap on settings, go to general settings and transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset and choose reset all settings. Tap on it and follow on screen instruction to resetting all settings of your iPhone. And your contacts disappeared from iPhone